basketball immortality for the 09 Los Angeles Lakers. It is a purple and gold coronation in the Magic Kingdom tonight. For the 15th time in their glorious history, the Los Angeles Lakers are world champions of basketball.
And the celebration begins for the LA Lakers and Kobe Bryant. They go crazy as they should. And the Magic fall in the finale, 4-1 to the NBA champion Los Angeles Lakers.
It's such a long journey, so many ups and downs, and so many sacrifices for my family and me working hard.
The MVP of the 2009 NBA Finals, Kobe Bryant.
Kobe Bryant, who holds it high over his head. His first Finals MVP, really the only thing on his resume that was not present.
Get it cracking! Get it cracking! We're gonna bring it in one time. Come on, Phil, Mr. 10.
Settle up.
We're saying we done. Prayer, right? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we done. Nah, you got
it was really about those guys winning it, you know, more than about a 10th. You know, the 10th is strung out over 17, 16 years, you know. This is particularly special because I didn't have to do any work. My staff did all the work and the players did the playing.
injuries and everything, baby. That's what we go through, man. Let's go. You did it all, baby. Triple crown, daddy. New York City, daddy.
Nah, this is, I can't describe this, man. I mean, you know what I mean? When you see adult men that normally, you know, everybody's trying to act tough and we out there playing hard. This is what it's all about. You know, it's the relationships, it's your guys, it's the team. And it's nothing else like it. Nothing else.
Hey, champions on three. 1, 2, 3, champions!
So hard to get here, such a long journey, so much work we put in throughout the year, and only one comes out victorious, and to be the one, it feels amazing.
Words. Ain't no words to this feeling. You can't. Man, I can't even tell. I don't even know. I can't even describe it.
Well worth it. 2 championship tries, a couple tough losses, a rebuilding of the program. All worth it right now.
My man fit, boy, class of 96. Damn it. Right here. Don't call it to come back. I've been here for years.
It feels unbelievable. Seems like yesterday we were just celebrating in Beijing, but here we are. Here we are, NBA Finals, champions.
Let's not hit the man.
Wow.
There's no words for this, though, man. This is an unbelievable experience. It's something that I'm going to cherish for a lifetime.
Last one standing.
No, he doesn't.
The best part of it is there's no more practices.
I'm lucky. I'm one of those people that knew what I wanted to do when I was 9 years old. You know, that I saw it. I saw myself winning the NBA championship. I mean, it's incredible. Dream come true.
Back to the hotel. Spend time with my family, man.
Where they at?
Spend time with my family. You know, they sacrificed all year for me to do what I do to get to this point. I can't wait just to be with them.